Hey my lovelies, it's your girl Chef Angie here and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Yes, we're back with another video for y'all today. And guys, if you're seeing me for the first time on your screen, my name is Angel. I'm a food blogger. Here on YouTube I create content on food, money management and also food blogging tips. So if this is what you would love to learn about, and guys, you're welcome into the family. Yes, we are a family. You're welcome. So hit that subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so you will be notified anytime I upload a video. And you guys are probably wondering, my returning subscribers, you're wondering that why is Angel posting a video on Wednesday? I thought we post videos on Sunday. So what happened, Angel? Well, your girl decided to start posting twice in a week. I hope I do stay consistent because it's not easy, because I have a lot of things on my schedule. But I'll let you guys know the reason why I'm doing this probably next time. I don't know when. I'll let you guys know later. So anyways, today I want to teach you how to make something really delicious. Yeah. One sec, let me get it. So I want to teach you how to make this. It's pasta. Can you all see? Yeah, spaghetti. So well, this pasta is giving me a different kind of vibe. You know, the whole creamy pasta kind of feeling, but whipping cream or cooking cream, sorry, it's pretty expensive, and you want to, if you still want to have that feeling of creaminess in your pasta or milkiness in your pasta, one of the ways to do that is by using the recipe I'm going to be showing you guys now. This pasta, I don't know what to even call it yet, but it's sort of like a milky kind of vibe type of pasta. But anyways, when this video goes up, you will definitely know what kind of pasta it is or what name I will give it. So guys, anyways, I want us to get into the video now, and yeah, let's get into this video. And please, if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so the first thing I'm going to be doing is boiling my spaghetti. Yes, so I added salt to this, about half a tablespoon of salt, because I don't want to put so much salt in my stir fry. Then I added oil to a pan, and into it I added onions and garlic. Yes, definitely I let this get burnt a little because I usually love playing with burnt things. I just love the smell, so you can definitely leave this unburnt depending on your preference. And I added carrots to it and sauteed that for about 2 to 3 minutes just to get all the carrots incorporated with the garlic and onion. Then I added peas to it. My peas was already soft a little, but I wanted it to get softer, so I just sauteed that for 3 minutes. Mind you, not everything is going to get soft at a go, so which is the reason why the milk is gonna come into play here. So I have Kerrygold Advantage milk, not really for a reason, that's just the only milk I had at that point in time. Then I added water to the mixture and just started to mix everything together. You could definitely do this by mixing the milk in water before you add that into your pan, but I was holding my phone in one hand and it wasn't easy, so I decided to just do it this way. Either way, you're gonna get the same result. So I mixed this for a while, like about 5 minutes. Then the thing was already changing color because of the ingredients you already had in it before. So before I leave this to boil, I'm going to add my seasoning. I added curry and Maggi. Raise your hand if you find it hard to break Maggi. Definitely raising my hand. It's pretty hard and pretty tasky. I see what I was trying to do there. Then I also added salt. Remember, I already added salt to my spaghetti, so I'm not going to put so much salt into it. Then I added Suya pepper just to give it that red vibe. Yeah, I don't want my spaghetti to be plain white. I just wanted that little bit of reddish in my spaghetti. So I'm just going to let this boil till it gets really thick. As you can see, it's already getting thick, yeah, but you just need to saute a little and just make sure that your vegetables are soft already before you add in your spaghetti. So I just sauteed that, then in we go with our spaghetti, and we're just going to mix all that together. Most times I start with little, then mix everything together, then before adding another set, then mix everything together, just so that it could be easy for me to just get everything wrapped around the whole spaghetti. Guys, at this point I realized that I forgot something, but not to worry, we're gonna save this dish. And what I forgot was actually bell peppers. So what you just need to do is just add them in and just pour a little bit of water and keep sauteing. You don't leave it there, and then you definitely get it soft. So bye guys.